Hey everyone, it's Jill. It's What Is It Wednesday, where I give you hints about a kitchen tool and a food item, and you have to guess. You guys ready? Okay. So the first kitchen tool, here's some hints. It's something you might use if you are making soup. Do you know what it is? It actually comes in measurements so that you can measure something. Can you guess? It has a handle. Any guesses? And you scoop with it. Have you guessed? Are your parents helping you? This is called a ladle. It's an interesting type of spoon, and you use it when you make soup. What it is you scoop it out, and this ladle is actually a 1/2 cup measurement. It makes it really easy to scoop the soup out and then pour it in a mug or in a soup bowl, which is really great if you're doing portion control and it's 1/2 cup, then you know that you're getting a cup of soup and then pouring it in. So this is called a ladle. Different type of spoon, can't really mix with it. It's really to scoop your soup or scoop sauces and then pour it on. Great for spaghetti sauce, actually. All right, are you ready for your food item? Okay. First hint, it's made with seeds. Can you guess? The next hint is you mix the seeds with vinegar. Any guesses? Next hint is it usually is the color yellow. Last hint, you might put this on your hot dog. Did you guess? Yes, it is mustard. Mustard is made with mustard seeds that they just crush down really fine, and then they add some vinegar, some salt, and sometimes a little bit of sugar, and you can get other types of flavors of mustard, but the traditional mustard is mustard seed, vinegar, and salt. So that's our What Is It Wednesday. Can't wait to see you next week.